Hello, I'm Mayor John Aguilar. The Riverside County Public Health Officer has issued an order mandating the use of masks over your mouth and nose when going out in public. This is necessary as a preventative measure to slow the spread of the coronavirus. Although you may not have any symptoms, there is evidence that many people who are infected are also asymptomatic or not showing symptoms. By wearing a mask, it helps prevent contaminated water droplets from reaching another person when speaking or sneezing or coughing from several feet. With that being said, it continues to be problematic securing professionally made face masks, whether in the store or online, as they are in very high demand. However, I'm going to show you how to make a face mask without the need to sew with 3 household items. All you need is a cloth, such as a bandana and 2 rubber bands, and here's how you do it. First, take your bandana and lay it out flat. Then fold one end about 1/3 of the way up. Then take the other end and fold it about 1/3 of the way down. Take that fold and fold it over to match the first fold. Now take a rubber band and slide it around the cloth to about 1/3 of the way over. Take the second rubber band and slide it around the cloth about 1/3 of the way over from the other side. Finally, take one side of the bandana cloth and tuck it into the other side of the bandana cloth. Pick up the cloth with the 2 rubber bands and place the bandana over your mouth and pull the 2 rubber bands around your ears. It's that simple and easy to do to protect you and your family. You can simply throw these into the washer and reuse them time and time again. These are unprecedented times, but if we can each do our own part in curbing the spread, we can overcome this pandemic and get back to our normal lives. So stay strong, stay healthy, and stay home. Be safe, and thank you.